check this out, guys. It's a tiny charger that fits in my palm. And it can charge your phone, your Android, your iPhone. It has a Type-C port. It has that marking IQ3. I think that's the technology that they used here. The model of this is Anker 511 and it's named Nano Pro. That sounds like Torogi Pro. But it's a super charger that quickly charges your devices. Let's go ahead and try to check this one out. Okay, this is my iPhone. And I want to drain the battery. You can see it's 1%. I just go ahead and scroll this one, try to watch a video until it dies so that we can try the Nano Pro 511 Anker, how fast it is charging. Now it died. It's time to plug in the chargers and try to time this one, how fast it can go. Anker, there you go, plug it to the phone, mount it here and try to wait because the battery is totally drained. Then there you go. It took a little bit of time. I think it needs to come up with some charge before it's going to turn on. Look at the time. It's 3:26. It's 2%. It needs to have a minimum of 2% before it can turn on. All right. Now at 3:27, it's already 4%. 1 minute, we have 4% from 2 to 4%. And let's jump into the next time check. After 5 minutes, we are at 13%. That's just very quick. Okay, let's jump into the next time check again. Next up here, after 15 minutes, we are at 32%. It's freaking fast charging. Now, at 25 minutes, we're at 47%. That's super fast. Well, let's jump into 425. That's exactly 59% since it was 2%. We powered it on. Then now we're at 85%. The more that we gain charge, the slower the percentage increase. It needs more time. But you get the concept. If you are dead low but you're that very minimum charge, it can jumpstart your battery into 50% in the span of 30 minutes, right? So anyways, guys, I gotta tell you, this is by far the best charger I ever bought for any of my device, from my Android phone to my tablet to my Android phone in other devices that I charge on an adapter. And I give it to you, it's very small, very powerful, fast charging. If you want to check this one out, I'll place a link on the description below and make sure to check it out. Thank you for watching this video.